Hello guys, AJ here, and today we're gonna be doing another pack opening. Like recently, I just opened a bunch of packs. I just bought some new ones with my own money, and right now we're spending our money on some Huddle packs. See if we can test our luck. I got 20,000. I've been wanting to open a Huddle pack my whole entire football career. Huddle pack contains 1 or better, 4 gold or better. Okay, this ain't that bad. Okay, so we're gonna buy 1 bundle. Let's get this started. So what I'm looking for, is an elite program pair or just an elite period. So far, we're not getting anything good. Update team. Ooh, David Irving. Let's go. And then we get Stephen Ridley. Let's freaking go. After this, I'm gonna see how much he's worth. Another team. 80 overall linebacker. Cameron Howard, defensive end. I updated my team. This is the last one. There's another update team. Ooh, 85 Christian Kirksey. 84 defensive. Orlando Scandrick. He goes for Sean Lee. And then the topper. Ooh, play counter combo. Slot under. Oh, this was a good pack opening. It was worth it. The reason why I'm not talking, I'm focusing. Plus the awareness, linebackers on long pass. Alright, so that's about it, but let's see how much these guys go for. If I get a elite or better, okay. Elite out of position. Gold out of position. We'll get a quick freeze pack. '84 Tim Hightower. I've been getting that guy for about a long time now. Sick and tired of him. So items. So Orlando Scandrick. Why not going to store? Better be worth like at least 10K. So he's not selling for too much. He's selling for like 3K. Put him up for 3K. This phone is actually pretty good. I'm gonna put if we get 2 subscribers, I'll do another pack opening. And when the other packs come out, I'll do a bigger one. I promise. So actually, let me do a set first. Sets. Freeze. Let me go to that position. So we need one more. Put it back. Might as well fill that in later. Let's go to locker. We might as well do a quick sell here too, boys. I got a lot of players in here already. Honestly, I think I should sell them. Let me get these. Let me get the low overalls in there. Not that one. And then I'll sell the rest. Sell the rest for like 3K. Ooh. Elite gold. Elite trophy. Elite trophy sell for like 10K. Sell that for 10K, so. Alright, boys. What we all been here for. Bam! 11K. Can't go wrong. But we could do silvers. We could do silver. We only could do one. Can we get 2 gold trophies? Not looking. Okay. We did it. So. Oh shoot. We get 2 gold trophies. That would be lit if we would have got it. Also, subscribe to Lit Nation. A good cause to the group. You know what I'm saying? We do one more just because. Test my luck. Oh, we still have one. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we're doing another one. Get 2 more gold trophies. 3 more. Alright. Let's test our luck again, boys. Boys and girls and ladies and guys and whatever. Bam! 10K. Got 20K out of that. Plus all these other gold players. So, sell items. So all these. Except for TJ Ward. So this for about $2.99. That'll sell pretty quick. $8.99. So that's about 20K or 25. So we got 22K. And then plus 10K, all that. $12,890. Alright. So we got some stuff in the auction block right now. You can't sell this guy, sadly. So I think in my league it's gonna show what I pulled. Okay, I guess not. If you want to join, again, it's Lit Nation Gaming. Yep, Lit Nation. Actually, Lit Nation. Let's go to auctions. What was that guy's name? What was he? He was a defensive end. He was a cowboy. 6. Let's see how much this guy's sell for. Kyrie Irving. Nice 30K. Okay. Not too bad. Etsy talk show. I'm not gonna sell him. I actually need more defensive players, so David Irving is gonna be a good add up on us. He's actually a nice defensive end, so I'm not going front. Let's get our team. Defense gone up by 1 overall, which is freaking good. David Irving, you are welcome on our team. And Christian Kursky, welcome to our team too. I need to get more safeties and corners, especially corners. I need more stuff. And the linemen, defensive tackles. I don't care about middle linebackers or linebackers, but I need good zone, man coverage, zone coverage. See, that's bad. Now this guy, his power moves, 92 finesse moves. That's what I want. And 89 strength plus the stuff. And I got Chris Boswell as my kicker. The +2 strength come from Jared Cook. CJ Anderson plus 10 strength on short. My offense is not that bad. I need to upgrade somebody for the flex because when it goes to the first or the third on the first, it will change to a 77 overall, I think. No, our auctions just starting to claim earnings. Look, see? Our trophy sold. Now they're starting to sell. Let's get it. Let's go! Now it's just these people. Let's see if we can pick up 25. No. 27. 27K. More cornerbacks and safeties. Chris Harris Jr. I could get Shaq Thompson just because. Chris Harris Jr. Man coverage is 90. Zone coverage, okay. He's not bad. Tyrann Mathieu. I do not know who that is. Akeem Talib. He might be a good on. Eric Berry, of course. These are my options. And these earnings. Or we could just get a ultimate guy. 50, 55, 50. Just buy now. Get a Cam. Cam is not that bad. He's a beast player. His hit power is pretty good. His man coverage sucks ass. His zone coverage is not bad. Pat Pete. This guy's good. Patrick Peterson. He'll be a good add-on. Logan Ryan. Look up 88. Lower the Quinn. Pretty shit. This guy's good. I need guys with speed. Speed is key. some people. What should I buy, guys? Should I save up my money? Honestly, I don't know. We could get Sam Shields, Malcolm Butler. Fix all these. What the hell? Sorry. Let me see. There are 90. Haha, Clinton Dix. Tracy Porter. Tracy Porter looks like a good pickup, but can't pick him up. Darius Slay. No. Ooh, okay. 59. 59, okay. We get this guy. That's a good pickup for the team and me. Alright, guys. I'll see y'all later.